what you're going to get is a picture, someone like this, if you can see that, right? And I'll explain the images. What's in red is what influences you by habit, or what impacts you by habit. All right, so think about the habits that you have. First thing you do in the morning, last thing you do at night. Go to a restaurant, do you order the same thing, right? What are the habits that you do on a regular basis? The other half of the circle are what influences you, and you're influenced by one of two things according to the scientific research. You're influenced either by people or you're influenced by the environment of some sort. That could be social media, that could be culture, that could be any number of things. And so the real question is, in your life, how are you making decisions? Have they become decisions based on habit, or have they become decisions influenced by people and mediums? Now, what you don't see, and what I didn't have you draw, is there's a little blue sliver. Can everybody see that?
Barely.
All right. Science shows that it's somewhere between 1 to 4 or 5%. That is your free will. That is your free will. It is scary. So the question I pose to you, and it's part of your networking productivity tick, and for what it is that I want you to focus on for next year, because we are in the season of resolutions. January 16th is the season of dying resolutions, is, do your habits impact which or who you influence, or does that which influence you impact your habits? All right, now, there's pros and cons to both sides of that, because if you've got good influences, it should create good habits. And if you've got good habits, hopefully you're influencing other people to do better things. What becomes critical there is, where are your decisions coming from? How are you allowing one or the other to impact your free will to make better decisions? So as you prepare for the coming year, I ask you, take a hard look at how you're making decisions. What are the critical things that you're basing them on? And if it's on habits or it's on influences, what are the values behind it? Because at the end of the day, your business, who you are, is measured by the values of the person you're going to be. That's your networking productivity tip.